Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make yellow cabbage. First, select a fresh, firm head of yellow cabbage, ideally weighing between 2 and 3 pounds. Begin by removing any outer leaves that appear damaged or wilted, then give the entire cabbage a good rinse under cool, running water. Next, quarter the cabbage and carefully cut out the tough inner core from each section. Finally, slice the cabbage into thin, uniform strips, about 1/8 of an inch thick, ensuring even cooking. Now let's get cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil or butter in a large skillet over medium heat. Once shimmering, add 1 medium-sized chopped onion and cook it gently until it becomes soft and translucent, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Then, add your prepared sliced cabbage to the skillet, stirring it well to mix with the softened onion. Continue to sauté for 10 to 15 minutes, or until the cabbage reaches a tender, crisp texture. To elevate the flavor, season your sautéed cabbage with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. For a delightful tang and brightness, stir in 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. If you enjoy a traditional, aromatic profile, add 1 teaspoon of caraway seeds. For extra moisture and a richer depth of flavor, you can also incorporate about 1/4 cup of vegetable broth, letting it simmer until absorbed. Your delicious yellow cabbage is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it warm as a wonderfully versatile side dish that complements many main courses. It pairs exceptionally well with roasted meats, such as pork loin or a juicy roasted chicken, creating a balanced and satisfying meal. For a final touch, garnish with a sprinkle of fresh chopped parsley or dill to add a vibrant pop of color and a hint of fresh aroma.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.